Okay, so I'm going to do an example of how I solve these exponentials. So step 1 is to isolate the exponential. Get that alone. So I'm going to divide by 61. So we have 2 to the power of x equals 99 divided by 61. And then the big thing is you want to rewrite in log form. Okay, so that's our loop-de-loop. Log base 2 of 99 over 61 is equal to x. And then this, log base 2 of 99 over 61, this you can type into your calculator. Calculate this. Okay, so how we're going to calculate that is with delta math, you can just, my little bubble, you can just type in log, if you can just type in the word log of, and what was it? Log of, where's my whiteboard? 99 over 61 divided by log of 2. And there's your answer right here. Even cut and paste that. Maybe. I don't know if I can paste it to my whiteboard. There it is, a couple times. So the big idea when you're typing it into your calculator is the bases in the basement. So it's log of 99 over 61 divided by log of 2 equals 0.69861. But when we are rounding up, you do need to be careful. That will round that to a 0, which will in turn round that to 0.7. Okay, so again, base is in the basement. Okay, so that 2 is in the basement. Okay, let's do another example. So for this one, okay, we are still going to want to isolate this 10 to the 3x first. So I'm going to start by dividing both sides by 94. So now we have 10 to the 3x is equal to 70 over 94. The next step is to do your loop-de-loop and rewrite it. So log base 10 of 70 over 94 equals 3x. And this left-hand side here is you type into the calculator. Now, this one is actually easier because it is a base of 10. And the base of 10 is what your calculator is programmed to do. So all you need to do is type in log of 70 over 94 equals 3x. You get your answer and then divide by 3. So 70 over 94. So we are going to do log of 70 divided by 94. So here is my answer. And then we're going to divide that by 3. So our answer is negative 0.0426. Negative 0.0426. So if we want to go to the 100th, 2 keeps it the same, and I would just type it in like that. So into the calculator, and then divide by 3 to get the x all alone. Okay, our final example deals with an e, okay? So again, I'm going to isolate my e to the x over 4, and I'm going to divide both sides by 42. So e to the x over 4 equals 32 divided by 42. You could reduce your fraction if you want, or you can just leave it like that. Then we're going to do our loop-de-loop. So log base e of 32 over 42 equals x over 4. And this one's also special because base e is a special one. It's really the natural log. So this is just the natural log of 32 over 42, which your calculator is also programmed to do natural log. So the natural log button is write ln, or you can just type in ln of 32 over 42. And we get negative 0.2719, negative 0.27019. Now I forget. Okay, I'll double check what that's supposed to be. But then what you're supposed to do is undo this division, multiply both sides by 4, and you get your final answer. So back to my calculator. We're going to now take this answer and multiply it by 4. Can I just hit times 4? I don't know. I think I have to cut. Well, I can just hit times 4 here. Times 4. Negative 1.087. Negative 1.087. This 7 is going to round that guy up to a 9. Okay, please let me know if you have questions.